odumodu, odumodu, you are looking for a big war. Who are you? How dare you to take away my holy son, the son that I love, and the son that will take over my kingdom when I have gone? What happened? Why do you take away my holy son? Odumodu, you are looking for a big war, and I'm ready to challenge you if you don't return my son back. I give you just only 3 days. If you don't return my holy son, you will see a war. I'm ready to vanish your kingdom. You know, I'm the king of darkness, and I'm the king of demons. I'm ready to take over your kingdom and vanish your kingdom, and nothing will happen. Odumodu, I call you many times. I want you to return back my son soon as possible. If you don't want a big war, yes.